In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Ecwid, a powerful e-commerce platform, with your website. This process will revolutionize the way you sell products online, offering a user-friendly and efficient solution to manage your online store directly from your current website. Let's dive headfirst into the world of e-commerce and start by visiting the Ecwid website. Here you'll find a plethora of options and information on how Ecwid can empower your online selling experience. Once you're acquainted with the goodness that Ecwid has to offer, it's time to jump into action. The first step is to log in. You'll find the login option right at the top of the Ecwid homepage. Clicking on this will take you to the login screen. For those of you who prefer using your existing Google account credentials, Ecwid has made it incredibly easy. Simply click on the Sign in with Google option. You'll then need to select the Google account you wish to use for this integration. This seamless process ensures that you don't have to remember an additional password, making your life a tad easier. Once you're signed in, we'll navigate to the Ecwid control panel. This dashboard is your command center for managing everything related to your online store. From inventory and orders to integrations and store design, it's all here. Now, the fun begins. Hover your mouse over the Apps section in the Ecwid control panel. This will reveal a drop-down menu where you should click on App Market. The App Market is a treasure trove of plugins and integrations that can greatly enhance your e-commerce capabilities. In the App Market, we're specifically interested in linking Ecwid with WordPress. Type WordPress into the search bar. This will bring up the option to enable WordPress e-commerce with a WordPress shopping cart. This application is your golden ticket to integrating Ecwid with your WordPress site. Click on Enable to start the process. Next up, we'll need to install the Ecwid WordPress plugin. To do this, hit the Get button, which will direct you to the plugin download page. Here, clicking on Download will fetch the necessary installation file. With the installation file at hand, let's switch gears and head over to your WordPress site. Log into your WordPress dashboard to integrate the power of Ecwid into your site. Navigate to the Plugins section from your dashboard. This area allows you to add new functionality to your WordPress site, and that's exactly what we're going to do. Click on Upload to proceed with installing the Ecwid plugin. For those of you with an upgraded WordPress account, this process is straightforward. Simply install the file you downloaded earlier, and voila, the integration process is a success. With these steps, you've just unlocked a powerful combination of Ecwid's e-commerce capabilities and WordPress's flexibility and ease of use. This integration not only simplifies the way you manage your online store, but also offers your customers a seamless shopping experience directly on your site. Before wrapping up, let's go through some additional tips to ensure you get the most out of your new integration. First and foremost, take the time to explore the Ecwid control panel. Familiarizing yourself with its features and settings will greatly enhance your ability to manage your store efficiently. Also, consider exploring other applications within the Ecwid app market. There are numerous integrations available that can further streamline your operations, enhance your marketing efforts, and improve customer engagement. Remember, the goal is to create a smooth and enjoyable online shopping experience for your customers, and integrating Ecwid with your WordPress site is a major step in achieving that goal. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope you found these instructions helpful and are now well on your way to leveraging the power of Ecwid on your WordPress site. Keep experimenting, exploring, and optimizing your online store. The path to e-commerce success is an exciting journey, and you've just made a significant leap forward. Happy selling,